Hey, welcome to Taiwandering with Jason. We are actually in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and this is my friend Carl here. And as you can see, we are big fans of Mongolian BBQ. We're actually going to eat BD Mongolians. Now this is what's kind of funny. This is Carl's favorite restaurant of all time. We used to have one close to where we lived in Vernon Hills, but unfortunately it closed down. So because I'm leaving, I wanted to try to finish up a bucket list of things that I want to do. One of the things was I was going to eat some Mongolian barbecue. Now there is a place in Naperville, but we said, nah, that's rookie stuff. We got to go to the original. So we decided to drive up to Ann Arbor, and we're ready to grab some food. Are you excited?
Yep, let's go! I love Mongolian barbecue. So how I discovered it was I went to law school in Lansing, Michigan, and my friend said, hey, let's go to this Mongolian barbecue where you can like make your own bowls, stir fries. I checked it out and I've been addicted. I swear I've had over 10 of my birthdays here at Mongolian barbecue. As you can tell here, we drove 4 hours just to get to this one.
Carl, tell them how early we woke up this morning.
So I had to wake up at 5:30, and for Jason, I think he woke up at what, 4:30?
4:30, yeah.
4:30 in the morning.
Because I had to drive an hour to get to your place, and then we left from there.
I can't wait to you guys see this food. It's so good. Enjoy your stay here in Ann Arbor.
Thank you very much. So we are going to try some Mongolian barbecue. I decided to go with Korean barbecue flavor with sausage and Baja pork, baby corn, pineapple, and also, of course, some white rice as well. So let's give it a try. Awesome stuff. I was Carl's roommate for a year, and funny story too is I was trying to convince him to move to Vernon Hills to be my roommate. I needed a roommate, and I was trying to convince him, saying, hey, it's close to a mall, it's a great place to live, it's next to a Mongolian barbecue. I was saying all these things, good things about Vernon Hills, and he's like, Jason, he had me at Mongolian. So that's the reason why he's my roommate, and we got to be good friends after that.
Yeah, it was pretty cool being roommates with Jason. He's pretty competitive in Madden. And yeah, the Mongolian people, we were there every week, and the people knew us. They knew us all the time, and they knew what we wanted. So it was like, it was almost like Cheers when we were there.
I'm wearing this orange Santos Chronicles shirt. My friend Carl does a YouTube channel where he and his family travel to weird and wacky places. Just want to support them. We're doing our first collaborative episode, and just looking forward to this episode. Hey, oh my gosh, we have been told this many times to go to this place, and we are finally here. Carl, we're in hell. Michigan, that is.
And how come you guys have postage? What is this place also other than an ice cream shop?
Other than an ice cream shop, we have putt-putt, we do mayor of hell, we do weddings, and we also have our own post office.
That's amazing.
You want a kitty post?
place is a post office. Best post office I've ever
Magazine
seen.
cancellation, which is what's going up in the top right here. We also got our own, what do you call this, a stamp right here in the middle, and then we always singe it with some certified hellfire. And if you'd like to request it, we can get it some extra burned at the bottom.
If the person was especially bad, right?
This is your invitation to hell, guys.
There you go.
Alright, so I'm going to write my name here in Hell, Michigan. Alright. Okay, so Carl and I are here at Michigan Stadium, home of the Wolverines. I am wearing orange on purpose today because I went to the University of Illinois, which was a rival of Michigan. And Carl, where did you go to school?
NIU! But I also went to grad school in Lansing, Michigan, so kind of a state fan.
There's one thing we're going to say before we go. ILL!
INI!